Hey y'all, UNIX guy here, and this is how to check available disk space on a Linux server. Now the same command will likely work on most any flavor of Linux, also work on a lot of UNIX operating systems as well. So it's actually very simple, and I am logged in as root. I'm just going to type DF, that's Delta Foxtrot, space, minus, K as in kilo. You can see here I've got, because I'm trying to be cheap with my hosting on Amazon Web Services. So you can see I've got 65 gigs allocated to my root, but of that I'm only using 9%. So actually I probably grew my root partition prematurely, and just an important lesson learned, especially if you're using virtual hosting for your Linux servers. Don't grow your partitions until you need to, and don't overgrow them, because typically if you grow it, you probably can't reduce the size. So, obviously I was smart about it. I only went to 64 gigs, and, I'll approach that in the near future, but just something to be aware of, just a little tip there. But yeah, to check available disk space on a Linux server, it's DF space minus K. There's several other variations of that command, but I like this one because I can see the mount points and then the disk utilization of each. So pretty simple stuff. Hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell icon when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain UNIX guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/UNIX guy, and ring that bell icon when you do, to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.